Gabe from his survival. This is an update to the Gerber Suspension. Man, this thing already broke. Didn't even have it that long. It's not spring loaded anymore. Luckily I didn't hurt myself, but I was just trying to cut some copper wire, and now it is complete junk. Now it is utterly junk, in my opinion. And I will definitely not recommend buying one of these. Save your, I think I got it for 22, 25 bucks, something like that on Amazon. And I think they retail for 44, which is absolutely ridiculous. So save your money, go with the Leatherman. Leatherman is my core, I've had it forever. Solid, dig it, it works, still works, even in the jungle. Gerber, blows, no good, horrible. Okay, well, I hope you like, subscribe. If you have any comments, I'm here for your questions. Have a nice day. Aloha.